Okay, so today we're gonna try stuff again. I don't know what to do exactly right now. Close that. So right now, I'm not 100% sure if I like the player and input manager being separate scripts. Now, why I don't like that, I'm not 100% sure. Maybe because the input manager, it sounds like the thing that would be managing all the inputs. However, what I should do, if I'm not going to put them together, is rename the physics process. In fact, I should just make the physics process just call the one function. This thing. Rename this to choose attack action, because some actions might actually have the some actions might have some kind of some actions might have inputs. Gosh, my brain is tired. Why? Okay. What we could do is make a dash of some kind. A dash with set velocity could be done grounded, could be done not grounded. We could also do a run. Uh, Running is not too hard, it's just a movement but at a different speed with a different input button. Um, or a different starting condition before. So if I double tap, then it's fine. Or if I use a dash button because I'm games have dash macros. Get all those making sense. Okay. I think the tag manager is pretty complete. Let's make a dash component, question mark. Does that make sense? I spelled the word wrong. Okay. This now means we want. Well, actually, let me take a look at first off the jump. So this sets, and then the movement sets 1. When I play it, it doesn't actually look exactly like that code. Do I have that set to auto load? Seriously? Wait, why is directional air jumping not working? Yeah, that's a bug. Fix that first. Do, 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 do. Put some breakpoints at these. Run the thing. Jump. This one is called. Okay. Continue. Put this one on top. Continue. And okay, so it is press jump. Leave. So this one. If they can air jump and jump, jump is passing a vector move speed and input direction. Okay. And then why? Yeah, they are moving in the direction we want. Okay. Run without debug. Oh, that's annoying. Okay. What is it called? This is called once at the beginning. I need to see this thing. Oh, that's probably why. This is alternate. Disable the input component. Oh, seriously, you don't even have an input component. Is it on auto load? Project settings, logos. Frame by frame mode is on, but not. This shouldn't be. Okay, I'm fine with this out. Maybe that'll do something. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be doing anything. What the heck? I don't think I'm calling it. Okay, I'm going to reload current project. Because that thing should not be. Oh, maybe it has too many terminal prints. And it's just trying to go through them again. Okay, on the main scene. There we go. They're gone. So double jump is not working properly. Okay. Player controller is not saved in some spot. I don't think that's what causing it. So it's like the jump input eats the direction. Jumping in the opposite direction is fine. Jumping in the same direction is not okay when holding. This is hitting again. I don't get that. Okay. Where is this coming? Where is that coming from? The scene is. Why is this scene active? Because it's not. It's not in the testing scene. It's not in the player scene. If I run the player, it still runs. Where is this coming from? I don't get the messages. Load the testing scene, please. Where are these coming from? Stop, stop, stop. Why is this case? Project, random current project. Delete that. Testing scene. Play the scene. Why is this coming out? Why is this happening? I don't understand. I'll close this. Nope. Oh, there it is. This thing. Right here. But, alright, that makes sense. Oh, damn it. Okay. Disable this thing so I can use this thing. That makes sense. And, yeah, alright. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now I can do things. I'm sorry? Is that really the thing that changed it? Oh, that's weird. Ooh. Let me run the project and frame by frame over there. Okay. So it changes for one frame, then it just keeps on skipping. Okay, let's read the physics process. Call during the physics process of the main physics processing means that the frame rate is synced to the physics. The delta parameter will generally be constant. See exceptions below. 15 seconds. It's only called the physics processing is enabled, which is not automatically. Let's see, method is reading. You toggle open the step physics process. Call during the processing. Expect when processing happens at every frame and as fast as possible. Okay, let me change these to processing because I want every frame, not everything else. Those are the two main ones. Okay, right, on the project. Once again happens. Okay. What happens if one is different from the other? Oh, even worse. So whatever's happening here is just eating inputs. Hmm. Why does it stop calling this? No, it doesn't stop calling this. Why does it stop changing this? Okay, if it's not get axes, it's gonna be somewhere in here. Only on the input filter is action pressed. This action just pressed turns when they have started in that current frame, or physics takes will only return true for that frame too. But when it's pressed down, is useful if you only need it once. Due to keyboard ghosting, is action just pressed may return false even if one of the action keys is pressed. See input examples. Now, during input handling, use input action pressed instead to query action state of the current image. It's the same thing. Input examples. What is happening? Input examples. Okay, so apparently I'm using inputs wrong. Input edit input events. Called when there is an input event. The input event propagates up through the node tree until a node consumes it. Until a node consumes it. I don't understand. That is confusing. Okay. Okay. Let me allow echo in the something. So clear scripts. That doesn't have it. So input manager. Scroll up. Okay. Right and left on QRU. So see if that fixes the problem. It fixed one jump and didn't fix both. Okay. So I don't even know if it was that or it was something else. Let's see if it was actually did anything. Maybe not. Okay. Action press? Oh, okay. So they don't have the echo. Isn't this guy called only once? Let me go ahead and input it in. I don't understand at all. Okay, let's go back to process. Okay, if it goes up in the tree, the player would have to come first because this is a script that actually is controlling our player. Okay, what if I just call this thing? Wait, it's disabled. No, it's not actually doing anything, so because the other code line doesn't have any. Let me just call the input manager and use it here. I didn't export it, did I? want this thing to choose action, and I don't want it to have this function. Okay. Now we run the scene. No, it doesn't work. And open this thing. Let me just see. It's gonna cost 20 years. It disappears and I don't know why. Is it this? Is it this? It is. We're forcibly releasing it with the press function. Oh my god. Okay. Let me change this to something I'm not using constantly. Use it light punch. I'm not using it very often. Okay. That's not great, man. That's with the evil. Okay. That's a specific, very specific bug. Warning. This is released. So if a button is held and this is called, the button is released. Really evil little bit. Alright, okay. Dashing. So, I really don't know if I want to do all this movement stuff. You know, movement can have gravity and jump both in them. Because those are both methods of movement. So I am going to just compress them into them. Okay. That means I can do this, and this, and then I can delete the seams as well. Reduces the nodes as well. I guess that's something we can say we did. We figured out that the release function in input can really screw you over and mess with your stuff a lot. I also decided to change some stuff. We did not make a dash component. You know, maybe I should make a movement and a player movement class because some things are just going to have simple movement. But I don't know. Wouldn't be cold, it would take up space maybe. Space isn't a massive concern, but I don't know. I could definitely make one. Let me add it to the to-do list. And also up here. Should you consider making this class just movement and when a child or play movement? Still need to make my turning around have a frame delay of some kind, which means I need a frame timer. I need to make a frame timer. That is big. That is an important one. Add timer. I name this to frame timer component. I want to break this thing. Okay. Give this thing a script. Sure, create and use the timer. Enter. Eight, eight, frame. Ow, 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 my body. It's still exhausting. Frame timer. Yep. You just want to overwrite a few. Few functions or few properties. Where did it go? Can I overwrite the property time left? You know, I did ask the question about a frame timer in a Discord server, so I should maybe take a look at that if I can find it. Um, timer. No, I could get a help. Scroll up. General. Yes, something that I forgot that I needed to read about. Yeah, that's the problem. Okay. Common physics interpolation. If true, the renderer will interpolate the transforms of this logic between the last two transforms so that the reference is seen even with physics 16 happens to the slide with ordered frames. And the next frames. This thing is just massive. That's so many damn functions. This is in project settings, so I'm just gonna go here, go to project settings, and then physics probably, common, physics ticks per second, max physics steps per frame. But then why is there more? That's why. Okay. If you don't know, calculate the transfer of items between the last two transforms, so that simulation will keep in physics does not coincide with rendered frames. Okay. There's also the scene tree that I should look at as well. Mm, tree? Okay, let me, where's the thing? Let's see where. Let me go to this thing, and dot, get, why are you not letting me get frame? Get underscore tree, packet frame, get, point, then tab, if, hours, start, frame, var, end, frame, start, frame, wait, frames left. As my brain is thinking of how to actually make this work with just one. And then we will want the thing to equal. So first off, tab if frames left equals 0, Um, and stop. I have these properties I can use. Auto start, ignore time scale. I'm just ignore time scale. Okay. Go to sleep. So this thing should just be, I guess equals 1. Just, um, 0. Okay, then if I should use input dot is action just pressed. Let's go with happy tick because I feel like it. Then set the timer. So, um, just set this thing equal to 20. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 34. Okay, go back to 3. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so that's a frame by frame timer. I guess we made that then. Frames, line, also integer equals Okay. Pardon my frame timer. Uh, that's what it's process. If it was physics process, would it be something else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21. Yep, yeah, the same. Same thing. Again. Okay. This one's just called on frame. The only things that really have physics process right now, after those few changes I just did, are the attack manager components that are tool scripts. Yeah. This one, enter process mode equals always. And if I do this, I should probably never get. Yeah, that's always printing. There's also underscore inherent positive, yada yada. There's the process modes. Process mode. Enumeration. So inherent from the parent. Possible stops processing when scene trait is pause is true. The inverse of when paused. Pause. Okay, then. What are the engines? Physics interpolation. Interpolate transforms of physics options between two frames. So this can be seen when physics text don't coincide with rendered frames. I don't really understand this. No, if true, the physics jitter fix it should be disabled. This property is read when the project starts to toggle physical interpolation runtime. See, said that stuff. Okay, there's a lot of things. Yeah, I don't know what I want to do with that stuff. I hope that's the right way to do this. but it's 1 o'clock, so I end everything.